Hello everyone, it's Abishang and welcome to today's video where I will be sharing with you how I prepare my matumbo. So let's dive into it. So here are today's ingredients. We have salt, our matumbo, soy sauce, onions, pilipili, dhania leaves, and dhania stalks separately. Here is a point to note: make sure you put a lot of onions. Like in my case, I've used 3 onions. Our first step will be putting our sufuria or pot kwa moto so that it will be heated, and once heated we will add the matumbo and let the water in the matumbo dry before adding anything else. The matumbo are now dry. We will add some oil, but just some little, because later on we are going to add some cooking oil. So make sure to continuously keep stirring your matumbo ndo zisishike huko chini. In the next step, I will be adding my dhania stalks and then keep stirring. You can now add your onions and stir. And guys, you remember I mentioned that you are going to add some oil later on. So this is the stage that you're going to add your oil to make sure it doesn't dry up. Yeah, and make sure you don't put a lot of oil. Just a reminder. It's now time to add your pilipili and stir. Then you can cover your sufuria with a lid and let the onions and the pilipili cook. All I wanna be Now on to our next step. I'm going to add royco cube and soy sauce and then stir thoroughly. And now it's time to add your dhania, the dhania leaves. Remember we started with adding our dhania stalks, so in this step you're going to add your dhania leaves and stir. We are now almost done. You can test your matumbo to check whether the salt is enough. Yeah, so my matumbo need just a little bit of some salt, so I'm just going to go ahead and add some and then stir. My matumbo are ready to serve. I'm just going to serve them with ugali and some greens. So guys, let me enjoy my supper. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and if you are new here, please remember to subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.